What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. When you're going in the water and you need to wear shoes, and you got to consider a pair of water shoes, and that's what I picked up. I picked these up on Amazon because they were some of the cheapest ones. I'm really starting to like these. I know some people can wear like flip-flops and things like that in the water or at the beach, but I really find that these are great. They're size 10, so they're for me. These are men's shoes, and what you can see here, ooh, they're tethered together. Oh, still tethered together. And they are just really convenient because you don't have to be in the water, but you know, grass, mud, whatever, they're just really comfortable to wear. And when they get wet, they just dry out, kind of drain out the water really well. So first of all, here is what you get. You get a pair of these, and they look a little bit like slippers or moccasins, you know, but you can see they're mostly soles, so they're kind of like a dense foam. They have a lot of traction here. They're pretty grippy, so they don't feel like, you know, that slippery closed sole foam that you might have like on a sleeping pad or something like that. They feel more rubberish, more textured than that. So you can see it all the way around, and even up here we've got lots of texture. So that is like really constitutes the bulk of it. That's like all the weight. Then up here we have like this jersey mesh material, and then I don't know if that's neoprene, but some sort of fabric. And again, this is all pretty water either repellent, but the stuff that's not is like so porous that the water will just kind of pour through it. Oh, I got a little piece of cardboard in there. There it is. Easy. Made in China. Size 10. And then what we have is a little drawstring up here in the channel right there, so you can draw it tight. Obviously no shoe strings or anything like that. The Wave logo right up there. And man, like I said, I just really like these. So let's try them on and see what they look like. So here they are. Pretty comfortable. They're the right size. Like I said, I wear a size 10 and they're perfect fit, but because the tops are so flexible, you can really kind of cram some foot in there. And I would say even there might be a little long. You can my toe pick it up there, and I probably have another half an inch there that's unused. Now, I'm obviously not in the beach gear yet, but like I said, you can tighten these up, walk around in them. Probably be good for indoor shoes too, but they just breathe. So if you're in a place where you want your feet to breathe, or they might get wet, or you just want something cheap, you should definitely check these out. Pick them up. I will put a link to them in the description. Peter von Panda, out.